1. Entering the lateral chamber of the knee joint, the patient's lateral meniscus barrel-shaped tearing was observed, which involved the pore area of the hamstring tendon. 2. The lateral meniscus torn part is stuck in the knee joint. We use a planer to remove the hyperplasial tissue, and use the meniscus to reset. Here we need to determine the edge of the meniscus tear to avoid removing the normal meniscus. 3. Use the probe to determine the tear range of the meniscus, and the stability of the meniscus. Trim the meniscus from the front. Four. The arthroscopy is penetrated from the passage between the posterior cruciate ligament and the intercondylar fossa, and observe the triangular area next to the medial head of the gastrocnemius muscle. Five. Use the exchange rod to pass through the posterior medial entrance, and the bluntness passes through the posterior diaphragm into the lateral chamber. Six. Pass the clamps through the rear inner entrance, and enter the outer compartment to trim the meniscus. 7. Next, use the full internal suture to make vertical mattress suture from the back inner access to the outer meniscus. Eight. Suture 4 needle probe has good stability.